Hi y'all, welcome back to Amber's Diamond Painting. This is Amber, this is me, and we have an untubing here. This is one I've been waiting for a while. When I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it, you know, it always happens, then it's not available no more. So, she's a big one. Okay. How's everybody doing? I hope y'all are doing amazing. Having a great day, morning, night, wherever it is, wherever you're from. Sorry guys, just getting into this. That come with some. Oh, there's the washi tape. I think it's cool it comes with washi tape. Oh, only one bag of drills? But this is our washi tape. We've got some cherry blossoms and then this cool design right here. Those are really cool. I like them. I don't know why they don't come in the smaller kits. Just the bigger ones maybe? I don't know. But this is like, they didn't have this in the other one. This right here. This sheet. I'm just rolling it this way so that it'll flatten itself out so we can look at her. But this is what they're saying that they have. It's available now. I do own this one and it's so beautiful. I haven't done it yet, but I can't wait to do it. Her face renders so nice. Everything's so beautiful. So check that one out. Now what did I get? I got Bird Woman. Y'all, she's gonna be beautiful. 60 by 80. But that says square, but she's round. I was gonna say, she's round. We've got 59 colors, and y'all, we got 2 ABs. Yay! I thought the Red Dragon Queen, I thought she had ABs. So 59 colors, y'all. I love this sticker sheet. They peel like this. Love it. Okay, and then this, you get the start and finish date. This is also by Alina Lazareva. I love Craftibly so much. Okay, you get your white Mosfa boat. You get your Craftibly. It says Craftibly on there. Your little caddy of wax. You do have to take that plastic off there. And like on this one, you have to take the plastic off. This got a little bit smushed by probably the tweezers, but there's a film on top. You have to pull that back in order to get the wax. And you get, oh, it didn't give me my other multi-placers, but that's okay. You get a 4-placer, you get the sparkly pen with the purple grippy. There you go. And then you get your tweezers, whether it's a square or round. I like the fact that they do that. So you get the nice tweezers, whether it's round or square. Okay. Here are our drills. Aren't those colors so lovely? Look at all them turquoise. Ooh, I see these. She's gonna be so gorgeous, you guys. I'm so in love already. Okay, let's flip her around. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, she's so pretty. Oh, you guys, she's even better in person. Why was I waiting so long to get this one? I don't understand myself. Okay, she's got a beautiful butterfly right here. Then this is like her, what she's got, like her mask that comes down and in her hair. And then she's got these jewels coming down from it. She's got feathers up here. Oh my gosh, feathers right here. The beak, her lips. All this is the the mask headdress thing. She's got beautiful eyes and all these coming down. You come down further and there's some more like feathers and this beautiful butterfly right here. Oh, she's looks like earrings or something. Let's take a quick look. So this is like pearls and stuff right here. There's a butterfly. Those are coming down. That is her earring right there. Y'all, she's gorgeous. I absolutely love all these colors. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So, so pretty. This is gonna be a lot of fun, y'all. I don't know which one I'm gonna do first. So we have Craftibly right up there. We have our legend on the top left. It is scalloped edges. We got our schematic right here, our key on the bottom right. And then right here we've got the thumbnail. And it's by Bird Woman by Alina Lazareva. Y'all. So we actually have two thumbnails right here too. Sorry if I keep bumping this. I'm just trying to keep my phone charged. Look at those pretty little different colored dots everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, and it's on the new canvas. It's nice and soft. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. My breath has been taken. Okay, let me show you her, the drill field. I love this thick paper. That makes it really nice. Let's see here. Can y'all see that sparkle? It is clear. Look at that. Look at that glue. Look how shiny that glue is. I hope you guys can see the sparkle. Let me see. Y'all, this is sticky glue. That is sticky. We got lots of pretty shine in there. I hope you guys can see it. See the sparkle? Okay. I don't need Marshall hair right now all over it. These colors are amazing, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay. So it's really soft on the back. So soft. Let's look at these colors. I'm going to zoom you in. I'll kind of take these away so you don't hear that crinkle. Some people don't like it. I love it. I get so disappointed if someone doesn't show me the drills in the video. I'm like, oh man. Okay. beautiful colors. We're gonna have lots of like greens, tons of greens. Yeah. We've got 30, 31, and 32. They all kind of look the same, but some are a little bit lighter. Beautiful greens. That's not so beautiful, but it's a pretty green. Look at these turquoise looking colors. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful these are. Oh, they don't look turquoise, they look blue. They're not. They're so pretty. They're like a turquoise teal. Ooh, this one's so pretty. I wish you could see it. And again, these are round. Wish you could see that color. Pretty, pretty. We got lots of browns. Have a lot of the brown colors. And caramels. Lots of browns and stuff like that. Got yellow. Got some green. Lots of green, guys. All different colors of green. $26, $27, $28. Different colors of greens. So pretty. This big bag of like a gold color. We got some beige, taupey colors, a peach. We've got purple, the gray purples. Oh, I love these two colors. The gray purple colors. So pretty. Ooh, look at these vibrant oranges. Orange yellows. Some green. Some brown. Some caramel. Some more brown. More yellow. Ooh, some more of that pretty light purple gray color. Love it. Cream. I love these colors so much. Pink. We've got brown. Dark, dark brown. Ooh, this is a pretty turquoise. That is so lovely. I wish y'all could see the true color. Some more brown, greens. Some more brown. Take that gold color. Some more light browns. Yellow. These look like gold. Beige. Oh, I know this is one of my favorite colors. What is this? 902? I don't think I've heard 902. Okay. We've got these colors. So pretty. Got some gray. Here's our ABs, y'all. We've got a yellow. Isn't that pretty? AB is Aurora Borealis. And it has an iridescent coating on it that brings out other colors as well. And y'all know I'm going to be bringing out the ABs in this. So pretty. It looks like a peacock color, huh? You can see the blues and the greens and the purples and the yellows and all the prettiness of an AB showing through. So wonderful. those are our colors, you guys. Let's see where the ABs go. So we got 59, 58. Let's see what they are on the canvas. Let me bring it back out. I'm definitely gonna put a lot more ABs in this, you guys. Definitely gonna put some in the purples and through here, the oranges, make it pop, some greens make it pop, or lips. Y'all just follow me and you'll see. Okay, so it's gonna be, is that an S or a G? S and K. Alright, so let's look here. Where's the S? Okay. We do have some S's down here. They're coming down through here, some through here. We've got some through here. I think there's, yep, got some through here, some through here, here, some through here, coming all the way over here, some in through here, some in through here, here, over here, yeah, in here, so right in through here, there, so it's gonna be mainly in through here. There's some around here, these little dots around the dots right there. You see if there's any in her hair at all. Let's see if there's any over here. We've got some over here, right here, coming up through here. That's gonna be so pretty. Coming in through here. So it's outlining where the feathers are. And then these circles. And what was the other one? K? Let me see. Where, if I was an A, B, where would I be? Okay, we got some K's right here. K's right here. Let me see. Let's start at the top, shall we? K's right here. Some right here. Some sprinkled in here. Let me see. We got some K's around here, outlining this. Some K's through here, and through here. Oh, it's so pretty. The little butterfly has a couple of them. But y'all, yeah, don't worry. I'm gonna bling this out. Definitely follow me when I'm working on this one, because I'm gonna bling this one out. It'll be so pretty. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I am in awe of this one. It's so pretty. It's so magnificent. Why didn't I get this earlier? I don't know. I'm just glad I got it now. So let me know, you guys, in the comments. Do you guys have this one? Are you guys gonna get this one? Do you like it? Do you love it? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, we got some K's in through here. And through here. And those are round ones. Yeah, you're gonna get her. Let me know. Do you have her? Yeah, I want to know all the things. So, Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for the likes, your shares, your comments. You guys are so sweet. Your kind words, everything that means the world to me. I love y'all, and yeah, you guys make this possible, and you guys are truly amazing. And thank you. Love y'all. And from me, Mia, and Marshall, we love you guys, and bye guys.